Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on roblox. First of all, click on three dots. Now go to in settings. Now go to in privacy. So once you're in the privacy, now you have to come down to this section. And so to get privacy, you have to enable second option, use camera to animate your avatar with the movement. To enable it, you have to click on this. Just click on this toggle button to enable it and click on enable button. But before that, you can see that it says this setting allow you to animate your avatar with your movement. It means it's allow the face tracking. You have to just click on enable button to get it. And now you can start doing the facial animation on Roblox, or we can say you can start face tracking on Roblox. So now to check whether your face tracking is working, you have to open a game that supports camera and microphone. So there is a one game that supports camera and microphone. Please donate. So you have to open it, and you can see that here this game supports microphone and camera both. So you just need to open this game, and I'll show you how can you enable the face tracking. So once you're in the game, and if you want to enable face tracking, you have to click on this video icon to get face tracking. And now your face tracking, the green dot will be shows that Roblox is using a camera. So you just need to animate your so basically it track your facial expression to animate, and make sure it is using your camera on your PC or on your mobile. So once you enable it, and if you want to enable voice chat, you can also that. You just need to click on this mic icon to get voice chat. Fine. So since right now my recorder is using microphone, it is not allowing you to use Roblox to use this voice chat feature on the Roblox. So yeah, that's how you can do it, and that's how you can enable the face tracking on Roblox. You can also click on this Roblox icon and click on this video icon to enable face tracking. Fine. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.